I'm feeling very blue today. I'm blue, da dee dee da dee da da dee da dee da da dee da dee da. Okay, that's enough of my singing career. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Birchbox unboxing for September 2018. And if you guys want to see what magic's inside this box, then keep on watching. It is Birchbox's 8th year in business, and so congratulations to them. I know that I've had my gripes in my past with Birchbox, but needless to say, they've obviously done something right to keep me around, and it's so exciting to see how they've branched from a couple years ago when I signed up to what they are today. So a little shout out to them because they have grown into this beauty subscription empire, and it's so exciting to see. And it's always fun to like see a company have its birthday, and it's even better when that company wants to celebrate, and by celebrating you with their customer appreciation day. So this month they are celebrating all the things that make us us, and yeah, it's so exciting to have a time of celebration. So needless to say, let's go ahead and jump in and see what magic's inside. First item I'm gonna pull out of my Birchbox was the item that I picked for myself, and this was the Oribe Mystify Restyling Spray. Just shake and mist onto next day hair. Now I would show you a live demonstration, but my hair is not next day hair, and it's actually clean for once, and I just didn't take the time to style it this morning. This is basically, I don't want to say it's as far as going to say that it's like a dry shampoo, but it's a next day hair styler. Lately I have been trying to extend the life between my washes, mainly because I'm lazy, and I have been like going multiple days without washing, but like trying to restyle it by either straightening, curling, so on and so forth. So this is going to help kind of react those styling products that we used the day before, so it's kind of an enhancer, so to speak, for those products you used previously. So it has that traditional Oribe smell. It's definitely going to not only help with revamping and restyling second day hair, I think it's also going to help when it comes to refreshing second day hair. So yeah, I'm definitely excited because I have been loving Oribe lately. I just don't love their price point. And yeah, definitely exciting to say the least. Next inside our Birchbox this month, we have a product from Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Now this is a high potency lactic acid treatment to exfoliate dead skin cells, plump fine lines, even out hyperpigmentation, and boost your skin's glow. It's supposed to exfoliate, and it just says apply to clean, dry skin morning or night. It doesn't say to rinse it or anything. So makes me a little nervous to see how this exactly is going to work, so to speak. I'll have to read up on the instructions just because I don't want to waste it or ruin the product now. So the only problem with this is that the full size, $105. So you better be some damn good jeans if it's going to be working for that price. The thing about Sunday Riley that I don't love is that some of their products smell really great and then some of them smell pretty bad. And in terms of this, this is one of those products that don't smell the greatest. But if it works, then hey, I can suffice through the smell. So we'll see. So the next item inside our Birchbox is from No. 4 High Performance Hair Care, and this is the Jour Smoothing Balm. And this is supposed to be a styling cream that contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, give touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. So essentially it is a heat protectant. I've tested No. 4 in the past. I don't know if it's been a minute since I've tested No. 4 products. In fact, I'm not even sure if No. 4 products have been tested in the life of this channel. I'm sure they have been because we've been at this for about a year and a half now. We'll have to do some research and I'll link it down below for you guys. I don't think I've tested this particular product out. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't, not really sure. Again, I'll have to do some research. This is a heat protectant. Maybe it'll help work with that Oribe restyling spray, and maybe we could get the most life out of my hair care. I have not had my hair done since just before leaving for Germany in June, and for the past week and a half, every single day I have received compliments about my hair, which is weird for me to think because I don't know if it's a matter of the regrowth that's growing in and it's just making it look healthier. I'm not really sure. I'm not gonna ask questions about it because it's gonna be a while before I even get into my salon to get my hair done. But if it's working for me, then I'm not really gonna question it, right? Like, why should I have to question if my hair is working if I'm getting compliments on it, right? The next item inside our Birchbox is from Rene Furterer, and this is the KARITE NUTRI Intense Nourishing Mask. So this is a hair mask, and it's made with shea butter and essential fatty acids. This hair mask deeply nourishes and repairs dry, damaged hair, which is 100% my hair, because with summer ending and with fall and winter coming back into the swing of things, I have been heating my hair and using heat tools on my hair more, and therefore I'm suffering a ton of breakage, a ton of damage, and just a ton of crazy split ends. Maybe this is something that will help with that, because I don't really take a lot of time to do hair masks just because I don't wash my hair enough as it is anyway. I don't think that there's a need to put a mask on top. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but I'm sure probably once you get it out and work it through the hair, there will be a little bit of a scent. And yeah, I guess it's supposed to be for very dry hair, which I would go ahead and say what my hair is. And yeah, so that's 3 hair care products this month out of the 4 we've already looked at. So I guess this month is going to be appreciation for my hair, because again, those compliments just don't come out of nowhere, right? Last item inside our Birchbox this month is from Arrow, and this is the Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm, and this is what it looks like. Arrow is one of Birchbox's like exclusive companies that they work with. I don't know if it's actually like a product of Birchbox, like if it's one of their companies, but I know that like you can only get it through the Birchbox counter. Ultra hydrating formula that magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering pink hue that's unique to you. So that's really cool that, you know, they're using that pH technology, so then that way every person will have a different shade. So with that said, it wouldn't be a Cerelac unboxing if I didn't do a live swatch for you guys. I currently don't have anything on my lips, so let's go ahead and give this a fair shake. Every night I do put on a lip mask, and I do try to not put as much drying liquid lipsticks on my lips, and especially I try to kind of balance in between with using the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. This is what the color looks like, and it's supposed to adjust to everybody else's natural pH levels, and it doesn't really have a smell, so I guess that might be a good thing, but let's go ahead and try it out. So on a first impression, the bottom doesn't have any of the product on it yet, and the top is up here with a little coat of this, and the color is pretty so far. Let's go ahead and do the bottom lip. So this is the final result of the Arrow Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. When it comes to how it feels, sometimes lip balms kind of have like that very waxy feel to them, and I'm kind of getting that vibe off of this one. Maybe that's what I'm smelling, is like more of a heavier kind of wax with it. I'm not sure what kind of wax they use, but it doesn't really have a great taste to it, so I probably wouldn't recommend licking your lips after this. But when it comes to the color, it is pretty complimentary. So this is what my natural pH level would kind of correct it to be, and it is pretty. And again, in terms of the hydration, it is something that does feel a little bit more waxier, which kind of is less to be desired on the lip. But I will go ahead and see like how it will wear, if it's long lasting, if it's kind of one of those things if you put it on they kind of have to blot it off, just because I'm weird and I don't like my lips to be very like sloshy and like oily and waxy. Like if I put a lip balm on, I want to reassure that it's going to sink in and it's not just going to stay on the lips, if that's makes any sort of sense. That was everything that was inside my Birchbox this month, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos, and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new Birchboxes. Receiving compliments more often on my hair is kind of giving me more of an urgency to do my hair every day, and I'm hoping maybe those products will kind of help make that a little bit easier, but only time will tell. I think overall this month's box, I'm interested to see how those products are going to work out, but I'm still a little on the fence too, just because I don't know, on a first impression things just kind of were like, oh, this is what it is. There isn't anything I'm too terribly excited about, maybe besides that restyling spray. But needless to say, I'm going to go ahead and give this month's box a B-. I know a little bit of a harsher grade on a first impression, but I will be sure to do a full review of all the products inside this month's Birchbox, and you guys can find that on the website at cerelac.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll also be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. I'm going to go ahead and celebrate with Birchbox too, and I'm going to go ahead and bounce out of here, so thank you so much for watching. Take care. Love you always. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.